My thoughts go back across the years to days long, long ago, when days of youth were free from care and life was rather slow. I rode a swaying, jaunting car through an August evening's glow, which carried post-bags bulging big to Gorey long ago. With goggling eyes at the age of 10, I saw the broad main street, with shop fronts bright and closely packed with things to wear and eat. I rode the bean with Mosey Webb and his horses trotting slow, as we went to Courtown's velvet strand from Gorey long ago. In later years, when a sturdy lad with combed and parted hair, I loved to drive the bawling stock to Gorey's famous fair. The street was packed with pigs and sheep, which made a noisy show. You'd think 'twas hell let loose on wheels in Gorey long ago. The slapping hands as the deals were made with the cute ones seeking luck, the shaking heads and the loud appeals, Jack, don't leave me stuck. The squealing pigs and the bleating sheep would make your toenails grow if you spent much time at the noisy fair in Gorey long ago. There were loads of bonnies with curling tails that hugged their mother's sows. There were sucky calves that howled like mad beside their mother cows. There were loads of turnips and crans of fish and cabbage as white as snow. Whatever you wanted, you got it there in Gorey long ago. There were hanks of onions as long as snakes and carrots large and small. You could buy a suit length of Irish tweed at Paddy Brady's stall. If you were on the loose and wanted fun and had no place to go, you could spend an hour in the Arms Hotel in Gorey long ago. Then when you had your business done and counted all your spoils, you could join your friends and have a feed at Jimmy Rogan Doyle's. Then you could sit in a cozy room with a log fire all aglow and have a lark with the jobbers gay in Gorey long ago. And now the years have passed away, but Gorey still remains. A few of us still walk up and down, stiff with rheumatic pains. I've tasted life in cities great, where many streets I know, but never a street so bright and gay as Gorey long ago.